Blue whale, the ocean's gentle giant. The blue whale is the largest living creature on Earth and one of nature's most astonishing wonders. These massive beings glide gracefully through the ocean, creating scenes of mystery and grandeur. Yet few truly understand these gentle giants, their past, their present, and what the future holds for them. The history of blue whales dates back 30 million years. As members of the baleen whale family, they are one of evolution's most remarkable adaptations to marine life. Originally land-dwelling mammals, they gradually evolved to thrive underwater, developing streamlined, colossal bodies to withstand deep-sea pressure and long migrations. For millions of years, blue whales have roamed the vast oceans, their songs resonating through the depths, playing a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. However, even the largest creature on the planet once stood on the brink of extinction. In the early 20th century, blue whales became the primary target of the whaling industry, causing their population to plummet to less than 1% of its original size. Today, under strict international protection, they are slowly recovering, but they continue to face threats from ocean pollution, climate change, and human activities. Part 1. Introduction. The giant of the ocean. In the deep blue world of our planet, there exists a mysterious and colossal creature, the blue whale. It has roamed the oceans for over 30 million years, making it one of the oldest surviving giants on Earth. Its heartbeat can echo through the deep sea and its songs can travel for miles. Yet over the past century, human impact has nearly wiped them out. Today, let's dive into the world of the blue whale and uncover the secrets of this magnificent ocean giant. Part 2. Biological characteristics of the blue whale. 1. Size and weight, the largest creature on Earth. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth, unmatched in size by any other known species. Adult blue whales typically measure between 24 to 30 meters, 79 to 98 feet in length, with the longest recorded individual reaching 33.6 meters, 110 feet, roughly the length of 3 city buses placed end to end. How heavy is a blue whale? The weight of a blue whale is truly astonishing, ranging from 100 to 200 tons, depending on factors such as sex, age, and nutrition. The heaviest recorded blue whale weighed nearly 220 tons, which is more than the combined weight of 30 adult African elephants. If placed on land, a blue whale's immense weight would put extreme stress on any typical bridge structure. How does the blue whale's size adapt to the ocean environment? Streamlined body. The spindle-shaped body of a blue whale is designed for minimal resistance in the water, allowing for smooth and efficient movement. Powerful muscles. The whale's tail fluke is its primary source of propulsion. Its strong tail muscles allow it to swim at speeds of 8 to 10 kilometers per hour, 5 to 6 miles per hour on average, with bursts reaching up to 30 kilometers per hour. Thick blubber layer. Blue whales have a 15 centimeters, 6-inch thick blubber layer that helps maintain body temperature and serves as an energy reserve, enabling them to sustain long foraging trips. Case study: the largest blue whale ever recorded. In 1926, a female blue whale was captured in Antarctic waters, measuring 33.6 meters, 110 feet in length, the largest recorded individual in history. Scientists who studied the whale found that its tongue alone weighed 4 tons, 8,800 pounds, about the same as an elephant. It was also large enough to support 50 people standing on it. 2. Heart, blood, and organs. A massive life system. The blue whale is not only the largest animal on Earth, but also has some of the largest internal organs ever recorded, sustaining its enormous body with remarkable efficiency. The blue whale's heart. The blue whale's heart is the largest heart of any living creature, weighing approximately 600 kilograms, 1,300 pounds, about the size of a compact car. With each beat, the heart pumps out 220 liters, 58 gallons of blood, equivalent to a fully loaded washing machine. The heartbeat is so strong that it can be detected from several meters away, and scientists have even recorded blue whale heartbeats from miles away. Heart rate adaptation. When diving, a blue whale's heart rate can slow down to just 2 beats per minute to conserve oxygen, allowing it to stay underwater longer. A still-beating blue whale heart. In 2015, a stranded blue whale was discovered in Norway. Even though it had already died, scientists observed that its heart was still faintly beating during dissection. This demonstrated the extraordinary strength and resilience of the whale's cardiac muscle, which could continue contracting even after death. The blue whale's circulatory system. The whale's arteries are so large that a human child could crawl through them. Its aorta, the main artery carrying blood from the heart, has a diameter of 20 centimeters, 8 inches, wider than many household plumbing pipes. The blue whale's total blood volume is around 10 tons, 22,000 pounds, which is equivalent to 2,000 gallons of water, enough to fill a small swimming pool. 3. Skin, color, and unique markings. The blue whale's skin is one of its most distinctive biological features, influencing its appearance, camouflage, and overall health. Skin characteristics of the blue whale. Blue-gray color. Despite their name, blue whales are actually blue-gray in color. However, due to light refraction in water, they appear to be a deeper blue when viewed underwater. Light-colored spots. Many blue whales have unique light-colored spots on their skin, which allows scientists to identify individuals, similar to how human fingerprints are unique. Skin thickness. Blue whale skin is relatively thin, measuring 2 to 3 centimeters, 1 inch, but is protected by its 15 centimeters, 6-thick blubber layer. Barnacle parasites. The blue whale's natural markings. The skin of blue whales is often covered in barnacle parasites, especially around their head and back. These white or yellow patches create a distinctive pattern, making every blue whale unique in appearance. Case study how barnacles help scientists track blue whales. Scientists use barnacle growth patterns on blue whales to trace their migration routes. Research has shown that certain barnacle species only exist in specific ocean regions. If a whale is found carrying these barnacles, researchers can determine where it has previously traveled. 4. Skeletal structure and respiratory system. The blue whale's skeletal and respiratory systems allow it to navigate the oceans while maintaining efficient breathing. Bone structure of the blue whale. The whale's spinal bones are exceptionally strong yet flexible, enabling smooth, wave-like motion when swimming. Its skull is unusually long, making up over 1/3 of its body length, an adaptation that helps it feed efficiently. How the blue whale breathes. Lung-powered breathing. Unlike fish, blue whales rely on lungs to breathe and must surface every 15 to 30 minutes for air. Blowholes. Located on top of the whale's head, the blowholes release 9-meter, 30-foot tall bursts of mist, one of the most iconic sights in the ocean. Lung capacity. A blue whale's lungs hold approximately 5,000 liters, 1,300 gallons of air, larger than a car's fuel tank. Case study, how blue whales adapt to deep diving. When diving, blood circulation prioritizes the brain and heart, ensuring these vital organs receive oxygen first. Studies show that blue whales can dive to depths of 300 meters, 985 feet, and hold their breath for up to 30 minutes before resurfacing. Conclusion. The blue whale is not only the largest animal on Earth, but also one of nature's greatest biological marvels. From its massive heart and circulatory system to its unique skin patterns and powerful lungs, every aspect of its anatomy is a testament to evolutionary perfection. However, despite their immense size and strength, blue whales remain vulnerable to human activities such as ocean pollution, climate change, and ship collisions. Understanding their biology not only deepens our appreciation for these gentle giants, but also serves as a reminder that we must work to protect their future. Part 3. Habitat and migration of the blue whale. The blue whale is one of the most mysterious creatures in the world's oceans. While its massive size is well known, its long-distance migrations across the globe have made it a key subject of scientific research. This section will provide a detailed overview of the blue whale's global distribution, migration patterns, primary routes, and the challenges they encounter during their journeys. 1. Primary distribution areas. Blue whales inhabit oceans worldwide, thriving in both the frigid polar waters where they feed and the warmer tropical waters where they breed. However, not all marine environments are suitable for their survival. They primarily concentrate in 4 major oceanic regions, which offer abundant food and ideal conditions for reproduction. North Pacific Ocean, primarily found in the Gulf of Alaska, Bering Sea off the California coast, and around Japan. The California blue whale population is one of the most stable in the world. Each summer, these whales feed on krill along the California coast before migrating south to Mexico or Costa Rica for breeding in the winter. Case study. In 2022, satellite tracking revealed that a California blue whale completed a long-distance migration from Alaska to Mexico in less than 2 months, covering over 8,000 kilometers, 5,000 miles, and extraordinary display migration capabilities. 2. North Atlantic Ocean, mostly found off the eastern coast of Canada, around Greenland, Iceland, and along the coast of Norway. The North Atlantic blue whale population is smaller than that of the North Pacific, yet it remains one of the most important blue whale habitats. During winter, many individuals migrate southward, with some even reaching the Caribbean Sea. 3. Indian Ocean, concentrated around Sri Lanka, the Maldives, the Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal. Unlike other populations, Indian Ocean blue whales do not engage in long-distance migrations. Instead, they are year-round residents, staying in the region's warm waters. Case study: research near Sri Lanka found that blue whales in the Indian Ocean are slightly smaller than those in other regions, likely due to the warm environment, which reduces the need to store excess fat for insulation. Antarctic waters, the Southern Ocean was once the largest blue whale feeding ground, thanks to its vast krill populations. During the 20th century, commercial whaling reduced the Antarctic blue whale population by 99%, bringing them close to extinction. Today, under strict international protection, they are slowly recovering. Case study. In 2018, researchers discovered a massive pod of over 150 blue whales in Antarctic waters, the largest recorded group since the international whaling ban. This was seen as an encouraging sign of population recovery. 2. Migration patterns. Blue whales are among the longest migrating mammals on Earth, traveling thousands of kilometers annually between feeding and breeding grounds. 1. Migration behavior. Blue whales typically follow a summer feeding, winter breeding migration cycle. During summer, they travel to cold, nutrient-rich waters, such as the Antarctic, Arctic, or California coast, to consume large quantities of krill and build up energy reserves. In winter, they migrate to warmer tropical or subtropical waters where conditions are more favorable for breeding and raising calves. 2. Major migration routes. Through satellite tracking and acoustic monitoring, scientists have identified several primary migration routes. Antarctica, Galapagos Islands, Ecuador, 9,000 kilometers, 5,600 miles. Alaska, Hawaii, Gulf of Mexico, 7,500 kilometers, 4,600 miles. Sri Lanka, Arabian Sea, a shorter migration route. 3. Challenges during migration. Despite being the largest creatures in the ocean, blue whales face numerous threats during migration. Ship strikes, particularly near Sri Lanka, where busy shipping lanes intersect with blue whale migration routes, leading to multiple fatal collisions each year. Noise pollution. The increasing presence of commercial ships, military sonar, and deep-sea exploration interferes with blue whale communication, sometimes causing disorientation during migration. Climate change. Rising ocean temperatures are disrupting krill populations, forcing blue whales to alter migration routes in search of new feeding grounds. Feeding habits of the blue whale. Part 4. Feeding habits of the blue whale. Objective. Blue whales primarily consume krill, using a filter feeding technique to ingest massive quantities. On average, a blue whale consumes 3 to 4 tons of krill per day. This section explores their diet, feeding strategies, and ecological role in the marine environment. 1. Primary food source: krill, the staple diet of blue whales. Blue whales primarily feed on krill, a small crustacean species that typically measures 1 to 2 centimeters, 0.4 to 0.8 inches in length. A single blue whale can consume between 3 to 4 million krill per day, totaling 3 to 4 tons, roughly the weight of an adult elephant. Scientific findings. Studies suggest that a blue whale's daily intake is 2 to 4% of its body weight. This means a 200-ton blue whale requires 4 to 8 tons of food daily to maintain energy levels. 2. Do blue whales eat fish? While blue whales occasionally ingest small fish and plankton, their primary diet remains krill. Stomach content analysis has revealed that over 90% of a blue whale's diet consists of krill, with only small traces of fish and other tiny marine organisms. 2. Feeding strategies. 1. Filter feeding technique. Blue whales lack teeth and instead use baleen plates up to 1 meter 3 feet in length to filter food from the water. When feeding, the whale opens its massive mouth, engulfing both water and krill before pushing the water out through the baleen plates, leaving the krill trapped inside. 2. Hunting methods. Lunge feeding. Blue whales accelerate towards dense krill swarms, consuming millions in a single gulp. Deep dive feeding. Studies show that blue whales sometimes dive as deep as 300 meters, 985 feet, to locate krill-rich waters. Continuous foraging. Unlike some predators that hunt intermittently, blue whales feed while swimming, optimizing their energy intake. As a keystone species in the marine ecosystem, blue whales help regulate oceanic food chains through their immense krill consumption. However, climate change and human activities are reducing krill populations, posing a new survival challenge for these gentle giants. Protecting blue whales is not just about safeguarding one species, it is essential for maintaining the balance of the entire marine ecosystem.